Imagine a map, but not just any map. A map of your life with 12 distinct territories that shape who you are, what you experience, and where you're headed. This map is called your astrological houses. Each of the 12 houses represents a different area of life, from your relationships to your career, and even your deepest spiritual needs. But here's the catch. It's not just the planets that shape you. It's the specific house they fall into that holds the key to understanding your personal experiences and challenges. If you've ever wondered why you might be passionate about one thing and indifferent to another, or why certain patterns seem to repeat throughout your life, your houses may be holding the answers. From the moment of your birth, the alignment of the stars set the stage for these areas of life to unfold in unique ways. For example, the 4th house, which deals with home and family, might tell you why you feel deeply connected to your roots, or why the 10th house, tied to career and public life, has made your ambitions soar or stumble. But it's not just about the planets in those houses, it's the energy they bring that influences how you live out these life areas. Your houses tell the story of how you interact with the world around you, what drives you, and where your deepest growth will happen. The more you understand them, the more you unlock the potential for a deeper connection to yourself and a clearer path ahead. It's not just astrology, it's a way to map out your journey and start living with intention. Understanding the houses isn't just about knowing where your planets are. It's about understanding how each area of your life is influenced by cosmic forces. Think of each house as a stage in the theater of your life, with different characters, challenges, and triumphs playing out depending on where the planets are positioned. By diving into your houses, you're tapping into the deeper layers of who you are, how you react to the world, and ultimately, how you can align your life more harmoniously with your true cosmic blueprint. When you begin to explore your houses with intention, you may just find that the answers to your most pressing questions have been written in the stars all along.